ready for the ribbon cutting ceremony, count with me in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh!
Big sale here at Green Hills Boulevard from May 23 to June 2.
Dahil sa ulo mo!
They will be here. Okay, you guys can go ahead and approach Andrew and Lay. Expect the sellers now, of course, the titles.
Let's go!
Ready, get set, happy birthday!
Ako unang-unang nakapasok!
Thank you so much for joining us, Red.
Parang ano,
Happy.
hakot-hakot tayo.
Oh my goodness, you are.
Right, video vlog check everybody. Adriel here. We're logging in here sa Big Bad Wolf Vira Mall Green Hills at we are here sa kanilang VIP day. Ganda ng libro nito, X-Men, Marvel Superheroes. So, the Big Bad Wolf Vira Mall Green Hills will open on tomorrow, May 23 up to June 2, 2025. Entrance is free. Mall hours yung kanilang sinafollow na ano dito. Opening and closing 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. At yeah, visit here. We have a half of the floor na second floor ng Vira Mall, punong-puno ng books. So okay, so kukunin ko na to. So pasok tayo, let's check it out yo at hanap tayo ng comics. Alright, let's do this. Ganda nito. Middle Ages. Ano ba to? Ah, okay. Book na pambata. Ganda. Ay, may mga puzzle. Ang ganda. So we are here sa children's books area. So all of these are children's books. So yan. For the pricing, 20 pesos up to 1,600. It's available. Ayan. Ah, fiction pala to. Fiction. Ah, pang kids pa rin tong area na to. At pop-up book with Star Trek, oh. Puro pambata. Game of Thrones yan, pambata. Hello. And this one is Ancient World. So malaki yung buong half of the second floor is filled with books. So iba yung ano, iba yung style. So iba nag-check out na kagad, ang bilis. Check out na kagad sila. At wala pa ako nakikitang comics. May nakita kang comics? Graphic novel. Ay, dalawang side pala to. So paano ako pupunta doon? Ilalabas ko tong cart? Diba? So pambata pala itong pinuntahan natin. Pwede ba dalhin yung cart sa kabila? Okay. Kala ko di ko dadala eh. Thank you, thank you. Wala pa naman laman eh. Ah, eto, there's a 2 sections of the Big Bad Books Green Hills. So I guess this one is, ito yung mga books na pang matatanda. Ayan, tama-tama. At meron sila dito mga, ito yung cashier area. Ayan. Ang mga meron dito. Mga t-shirt to, ganda ng t-shirt to. Tsaka eco bag. Ayan. Kuha tayo ng shopping cart. Thank you, thank you. Para tulak-tulak na lang tayo. John Lennon. So, letter T, that's 960. Okay lang, okay lang. Uy, may camp snap dito. Paano? Ang ganda ng block, oh. Ang ganda ng block. Ito yung mga hinahanap ni Liz yata.
Alam sa akin,
habits, eh. R is 830. Oh, opo, Big Bad Wolf vlogger po ako. Ayan, oh. Atomic Habits. Bili ka lang dyan, ha? So, I'll be showing some pictures, no, para makita niyo yung mga books na para mas madaling makilatis. No? Alright, let's do this. si Rona, anong hinahunting mong libro? Travel?
Meditation hinahanap.
Meditation. Wala pa. Nasa young adult ka pa lang.
Yes.
Young adult. Kayo sir, anong hanap yung books? Photography book? Oo. Xerox. Ayan, comics. Parang konti lang yung comics nila. Oh. Ito. Sa kabila yung comics yata. Ito, may Batman dito tsaka Wakanda. So, nakapag-ocular na ako. Wala silang massive collection of comic books. So, medyo konti lang. Hindi ganun kadami. Or baka mag-restock sila in a few days. So, si Gemma, no? Ayan, Gemma, ano na yan? Ha? 2,000 collection na. Yeah. Oh, dagdagan 500. Oh.
2,000 din pa.
Oh, yung kapal niyan. Panalo. Ganda pa, orange pa.
50, 67.
Grabe. Charles Schultz. So, ito na talaga ang kukunin natin. Itong area na to. Ano yung Harry Potter?
Harry Potter, meron siyang ano?
Ayan, book, ano siya, art book?
Film book.
Film book. Film book.
Wala na ng isa.
Oh, sayang.
May ano siya, oh.
So, magkano isa?
500.
500! Harry Potter! Oh, meron tayong 1.5. Tatlo na yun.
Nakama na lang.
Oh, join forces na ba?
8. 8 para magandang picture.
Ito na lang kayang biling ko. Ayan, Enchanting Philippines. Alright, checking out na ako, no? So I got here a nice book of creative photography, The Professional Edge. This is 760 pesos. And I saw this nice book about cosplay for 760. So I have 1,520 na nagkakasin. Pero buti na lang, si Big Bad Wolf for their VIP day, nabigay ng 1.5. So ayun. Check out na ako. Ayan. 2 books. Hanapin mo yung QR mo. Alright, that's it for my Big Bad Wolf book hunting at the Vera Mall Green Hills. So open na to bukas, May 23 hanggang June 2. Okay na may mga selection for photography. For comics, medyo wala, sobrang konti. Wala na yung mga kasing dami ng comics kamukha ng dati. Pero check nyo, baka dumami pa yan the next few days. Minsan kasi nagbabago sila ng stocks. Alright, I'll end now my video here going to BGC for the next event. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure here sa Big Bad Wolf, Vera Mall Green Hills. Alright.